Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little clean with me today because I use some natural cleaning products and I wanted to show you guys kind of what I do on a daily or every other day basis just to keep the house kind of clean. Got some cold brew as a little bit of fuel. And we're gonna get to cleaning, so I hope you enjoy this video and let's go clean. The first thing I do when I'm cleaning is to set up my diffuser. I really like it because it really cleanses the space, it cleans the air, and it's super refreshing, smelling really good. So I like to put either like a citrusy or pepperminty, something like that, so that it feels really fresh. So I turn that on and then I get to cleaning. Now I will note I do have someone that comes and cleans every like week and a half, 2 weeks. So this is stuff that I kind of do on an every other day basis just to kind of keep it like clean during the time without doing like a whole deep scrub, if that makes sense. So I'm throwing some laundry into the laundry hamper, and I do use a more natural detergent. This one's called Nature Clean. I get it at Costco. It's super cost effective. I also like the one by the Honest Company, but that's one that's more expensive. I put in a few drops of the Sweet Sheets from Sage, which is basically an essential oil that smells really good. It's good for your clothes. And I put that into my washing machine, turn that on, and I always do it on the cold cycle as well. No matter what I'm washing, I always do it on cold. So I let that kind of go, like I said, in cold water while I get to the rest of my cleaning. I also put the essential oil on these dryer balls, which are really good because they're quieter than the plastic balls. You put them in the dryer when you put anything in there. So then I go around and I kind of just dust everything because like the table's white, dust shows up really quickly. So I kind of do that almost every other day, just kind of get the dust off. It takes really quick. All of these things, I may not do all of it every other day, but kind of like do a couple every day ongoing to kind of keep general cleanliness. And then if it's really dirty, I'll use like the glistening glass from Sage, which is just a spray the table down and wipe it down. So I'll probably do this every 3-4 days, just kind of keep it semi clean. And like I said, because things show, it's a shiny white table, coffee marks show, all that kind of show. So I want to keep it nice and clean. I also clean down on my coffee machine, which gets a splatter, and I like to keep it clean as well. I'm a big coffee person, which I'm pretty sure you guys already know. So this is my coffee machine. I'm really into it. It's a Breville one, if you guys are wondering. So I wipe that down, and like I said, I just don't like mess. So when you have like coffee grinds and everything like that, it really bothers me. And I always wear rubber gloves when I clean. That's how my manicure stays for like 3-4 weeks, my shellac. Otherwise, all those cleaning will eat away at your manicure and you'll get chipped nails. So to save money, I do that. I use the Method antibacterial in the bathroom. I kind of spray down the sink and just wipe it down. Like I said, I do kind of like a wipe down maintenance as like a daily or like every other day clean. Just again, to keep things clean and keep things sanitary. And I really just don't like mess, guys. Let me know if you're like that in the comments below. I also use this Method daily shower cleaner. Basically, I just spray the shower after getting out of it, either every day or every other day, just again, to keep the grime down. Next up, we're heading into the kitchen, putting, again, my gloves back on. Like I said, it really helps save your manicure. I do this for dishes, for any kind of cleaning. So I'm using some dish soap, obviously. I'm big on Sage, guys, because it is non-toxic. There's no weird ingredients in it. It's just natural. You can trust it, and I don't have to worry. So I'll link all the different products that I use down in the description box. Not sponsored, just love it. So I always have some dishes in my sink from day to day because if I put them in the dishwasher, I don't run my dishwasher every single day, and then I need to use some things like a pan. I only have one small pan. I also like to scrub the sink because I find the sink itself gets dirty. So I spray that with a bit of multi-purpose cleaner, and then I take my kitchen scrub brush from IKEA. I think this is $1. I love getting them. I just buy a few every time I go to IKEA. Super affordable. And I just scrub the sides of it. Like I said, I'm big on keeping things clean. So this is something I probably do every 2 or 3 days. And it makes a huge difference. You just rinse it down and it gets so shiny, especially if you have a sink like I do, like a big farmer sink. And then I like to also wipe down my surfaces. I use a biodegradable cloth that I kind of just wring out. So I'll spray it with the multi-purpose spray and again, to wipe it down. This is something I definitely do every day, if not 2 or 3 times a day, especially if it's a filming day. It probably gets done at least 3 times during filming and another couple times during the day. So maybe like 4 or 5 times during the day, I do wipe it down. Again, it's white, so it shows a lot of things. The fridge, even though there's a sticker on it that says it's no fingerprints, there are fingerprints. And I know the camera is showing that this is streaky, and I only realized that after, so I had to clean it again. we're gonna make some natural Febreeze because you want to keep things fresh. You want to keep your sheets fresh, your couch fresh. So I got this glass bottle off Amazon, so there's no BPAs, no plastic. Super simple to make. All you need is baking soda, essential oil, and water. So you need 1 tablespoon of baking soda or 3 teaspoons like I'm doing here. And you put that into a glass bottle. Like I said, glass is just better for you rather than the plastic leaching in. Then you're going to pour in 2 cups or 16 ounces of water. And I like doing the baking soda and then the water because the water kind of just washes the baking soda down the funnel. And then you add in about 20 to 30 drops of your favorite essential oil. So I'm using the Sweet Sheets one that I use in the laundry. You put the top on and there you go. You have an all natural Febreze. We made it in less than a minute. And so every once in a while, I'll spray the couch, the pillows, kind of just to make everything smell nice and fresh. And like I said, it smells good. This can get addicting to kind of do. And I also do the bed sheets almost every night, just kind of like freshen them in between like the weekly wash of washing the sheets. And then I put the pillows on top. I always make the bed, but I wanted to show you guys me spraying it before I made the bed on this day. So always make your bed, guys. It just sets the tone for the entire day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know what other kind of like lifestyle videos you guys would want, like a vitamin routine or something like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.